so that's the 350, just a quick look at it, plus the DJI Neo. Bit of a play with that for the first time really with a bike, so that was interesting. A couple of things on this bike. I did buy it from a South Australian. You can tell it's been looked after by her and the original owner, but yeah, so super happy with the bike. Aquapovic, some of the things that came with Aquapovic, baffles out, no rear indicators, so I've ordered some of those last night, so we'll get that on. Low profile ones, because we know what the KTM ones are like on the back, useless. Aftermarket suspension by Choice suspension, and so that spring is uprated, the next step up basically above factory. I've always found the factory one's okay, but this one, given the bit of gear I'm going to carry now, including me, I'm just giving it a go, but I had to wind the preload out. As I changed the seat, it came with a seat comfort seat, whatever they're called, comfort, whatever, which is really a comfortable seat, but it's a lot higher for me than this. So I've had to fix this because this was broken where the fixings go in. They have like a molded brass nut. Both of those were broken, so I've used nut certs to fix that. And what else? Steg pegs, which I need another puck or two. On the 500 I've got 3 pucks and they are monstrous and they do the job, so I might go 2 on this and just see how it feels. You can see it's got a SKDA plastic kit on here. I want to take it back to the original orange. The seller did give me all the original plastics, including the second set of SKDA, the blue set, which are great, but I've had Yamahas, so I'm going to stay Team Orange. So I've ordered new decals because the other ones are all rubbed off. They looked crap. And what else? It's got these little Gumby mirrors, which I don't care, they can stay on. It's got an MSC steering damper. The back feels like it's tracking pretty well. I might go another turn on the spring. There was only one spot I thought, ooh, I just broke traction probably a bit earlier than I expected, so I might give that another wind. The front tyre, I think I forgot to check pressures, so I think I've got too much pressure, but looks like the wheels have been balanced as well, which is great. So someone was into their bikes, that's what that tells me. Also have ordered short throw levers. And what else is there to tell you about this weapon? I did change the bolt on the kickstand because I found it had the long bolt with the spacer, which means you can't take off with the kickstand down, which is a nice thing, but I just struggled with it, so I've just gone back to stock, so to speak, and that should be fine. And I can't think of anything else to tell you about this bike, apart from it did come with a box of, all sorts of goodies. I haven't checked wheel bearings, I haven't done all these sort of things yet. What a bike. Oh, it has been remapped. The ECU on this has had some money spent on it, and I can tell you, after riding the 350 in Cambodia, that was excellent. I noticed on that bike, I couldn't easily power wheelie over the puddles and just ruts and all that silly stuff. It had to be a clutch wheelie. I noticed with this, I can power wheelie, just like a 450 and just like the 500. So that mapping has given this engine, a lot more breathing room. So very impressive. So definitely a lot more bike than rider, that's for sure. But it's going to be a great bike just to hit the single tracks and just stay bike fit for the longer trips I want to do, and it'll just make it easier to get my fat backside off the couch, get on the bike and go enjoy this epic scenery that's all around South Australia. It is stunning how good it is to ride, and there's a lot of sand, but it's not all deep and you can stay away from it if you choose to, but I don't mind sand. All right, thanks for watching. It's been a really enjoyable little ride this, so really looking forward to